Welcome boys, this is day one of my little vlog about my client retreat with my client Marco. He came all the way from Croatia to Serbia to spend time with me, make good memories and make as much cash as possible. We are currently at the pool right now. It's a very good closed pool, as you can see. We just finished, we are heading to eat right now, so yeah. Good morning everybody, this is the second day of my client retreat with Marco. Say hi man.
Hi.
We are currently going on a tennis terrain or a paddle, I don't know what is this, but we will try some paddle first for the start of the morning. We did some work when we woke up. I didn't record that, it's not that interesting. So he never played paddle in his life. I will beat the shit out of him, bro. We just finished, and to all of the guys who say paddle is gay, fuck you. We are doing this for entertainment, like we are not gay, we are not touching our booties like crazy. And for everybody that's telling me like, yo bro, you need to play paddle in four, like it's not supposed to be played with two people. Yeah, I know bro, we just couldn't find two guys to play with us. Chill. So I make the rules, bro. I make the rules. And yeah, keep you guys updated. It's the third day. I wasn't talking that much in this little vlog. We're currently going to a shooting range to fucking be fucking man, you know? We need to be fucking men. So I'll be recording some stuff there, and yeah, I mean, how is everything, Marco, here?
Great, awesome.
Do you enjoy the time here in Serbia, bro?
Yeah, Mati. Yeah, here is great.
Amazing. Okay, we came back from the shooting range. It was crazy. How was it, Marco?
Awesome. 10 out of 10.
How did you shoot? Did you miss? Did you hit?
So. I was like in the middle.
In the middle, yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I hit, sometimes I miss. So.
Yeah, we got the AK, a Glock, some shadow thing. I don't know. I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
Shadow.
Shadow, something like that. And we had a Scorpion with the scope, shooting from 100 meters. It was very good.
Yeah, it was awesome.
You got some pretty good shots, and yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Like I was very good.
Yeah, he was better with the rifle and I was better with the pistol.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
he was very good with the pistol, man. Don't Don't do anything to this guy. He will get the pistol and fucking break your hand, bro. And right now we are going to shoot a testimonial. Look at my man. He got a suit. He got everything. He's ready. Look at my guy. I'm working with serious clients, bro. I'm working with very serious clients. You will see the testimonial on YouTube. But yeah, we are right now going into the hotel to film that. So we have a great scene, and yeah, it's gonna be nice.
You bro need to increase your pricing list because like for this amount of money I'm getting like 10x value. From my opinion, number one person maybe in the whole world that is actually sharing with us information that nobody is telling. So you are actually very unique person. I had a lot of mentors, a lot of coaches, but you are the special one.
Yeah, my man.
You are the special one. If you are guys thinking, oh, should I start working with Christian? Like you need to start because it will change your whole life. As my life is changing like in 1 month, like, you know, some amazing things are happening to me.
We just finished filming the testimonial. It was amazing. My bro gave the best value and like big respect for this guy. He's amazing, man.
You are welcome, bro.
Yeah, my man. My bro Marco is stealing tea.
I don't have tea at home.
When everything's free, pack it in the pockets and yeah, bring it home, bro. Bring it home. This is one of the most famous hotels here in this city. We are currently in saunas, in rain showers and kind of shit like that. What rich people do. Yeah, and how was the tea? Did you try it?
It's good, like it's English green tea.
In English green tea. Okay, yeah. Cold, man, cold.
No, so good.
Oh my god, it's fucking cold. It's fucking cold. Bro, this Turkish sauna is fucking crazy, bro. I can't even breathe. It's like on Thailand. Like you can't even breathe of the humidation in the air. Like you can't even see me right here. I don't know if the camera sees me right now. No,
You are
sorry, I don't see you either, bro. This is it with the wellness. We are going back to the apartment to start working, bro. We need to make some money, man. And boys, that is it with this mini vlog we had with Marco. It was very, very good for the last 3 days. Tell the guys how was the man.
It was awesome. High recommending. It's like 11 out of 10.
He's now going to Croatia. Like we had some great time. We've been like to all kinds of stuff. I didn't even record. We were actually going. That's it, boys. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next vlog.